Today we will present air conditioner. We introduce ourselves. Benchamas Ubonpan, Pikaned Sompuanta, Nanthawat Kanthama, and Nunna Aphiwongsa. Air conditioner has become an essential electrical appliance that every home can hardly live without because the weather is getting more and more hot every day, thus making the use of air conditioner more and more accordingly. But when using the air conditioner, it is imperative to learn how to operate the air conditioner properly. With maintenance in this article, there are ways to use air conditioner and how to maintain them. In order to be able to use effectively, how to extend the service life for a long time and also save energy.
How to use the air conditioner. Knowing how to use the air conditioner properly, this will allow the air conditioner to work more effectively and also save energy. This can be done as follows. 1. Adjust the temperature to 27 to 28 degrees Celsius and turn on the ventilation fan to cool the air in the room and also reduce energy consumption by 10 to 20%. 2. After using the air conditioner, it should be turned off every time and should set the time to turn off the machine in advance. 3. Do not place objects in the way of air in and out of the condensing unit located outside the room, because it may cause the machine to not be able to cool. The heat well it also makes working harder as well. 4. Do not place things that obstruct the airflow in and out of the fan coil unit located inside the room, because it will make the air not cool. 5. Light bulb and electrical equipment in the room should be activated only as needed and should always be turned off when finished using to help reduce the temperature of the heat in the room to loosen. 6. Close all doors and windows tightly when the air conditioner is on. This prevents hot air outside from entering the room. The air conditioner will not have to work too hard. 7. Avoid planting trees or drying clothes in air-conditioned rooms, because the humidity will affect the air conditioner to work harder.
Air conditioning maintenance. 1. The air filter should be cleaned regularly to prevent dust buildup. 2. The cold pipe put by yourself slightly bare hair with water mixed with my liquid soap every 6 months will help the chiller to always work effectively. 3. Clean the fan shading. Cold air with small decoration each room. Help get rid of the dark that stick tightly as a pan of sticking to 3 or 4 bays with every month to make the cold air fan not work fully all the time. 4. The air pipe should be cleaned regularly by using a soap and water spray every 6 months and ensure that the air in the room can be fully discharged to the outside air. 5. If it is found that the air conditioner is not cool, to cooling check for leaks and fix it urgently, because the machine will work without causing any cooling, which is a waste of energy. 6. check the refrigerant pipe regularly. Should not let it tear.
Professional cleaning procedure. Remove the air cover or mask to clean the evaporator panel, fan coil unit with a water gun high pressure by using a plastic sheet to cover the machine to prevent water splashing on the floor and walls of the house. Clean the squirrel cage fan located behind the air purifier. Use a blower to blow away the moisture of parts and equipment. Check the cooling temperature. Haven't put the air conditioner mask back on. Suck and blow to clean the silver pipes that connect the air conditioner to the outside to prevent clogging. Clean the mask and the machine and assemble it back to the original place. Check the control panel and the operation of the machine by trying to place the remote, command and turn off the machine again. Clean the condensing unit outside the room. Measure the voltage. Measure current. Check the amount of refrigerant to see if there is a liquid leak from the system or not. If before cleaning the air conditioner is still cool, don't need to check the liquid. Check the ground wire to prevent electric shock. Check the wiring connection to prevent short circuit. Apply a coating to the surface of the machine to make it always look new, ready to clean the work surface. Just follow this guideline on a regular basis can prolong the life of the machine. Make the machine work more effectively and reduce energy consumption even more.